Hi everybody, it's Gemma. Welcome back to Pampered Wolf and welcome to the September Faves and Fails video. This video was going to be so super long because it had so many products in the favourites category, but instead of doing that, I've cut those products out and I'm going to do a separate video all about the brand new releases from NYX because they have released so many products that we're going to feature in the September Faves and Fails. This video would have been like an hour long, so I've decided to do a full face of NYX on Thursday. Do stay tuned for that, but let's get on with this one. Do make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM London time. So as per usual, let's get on with the news and opinion changes for September. Now, I don't have any opinion changes. My opinions stand for everything that I said during the September videos. I haven't changed my mind, so that is really, really quick. The only bit of news for you is that my Damn Girl mascara has now gone to heaven. This is no longer usable, which is a real shame because there's loads of products left in here and it just doesn't cling to my lashes anymore. It's still lovely and fluffy. It hasn't dried out at all, but it's just not sticking to my lashes anymore, which is a real shame. This probably was usable for around about 7 weeks, which I would have liked to get a little bit more wear out of this. Just wanted to make you aware of it. Has anybody else had the same problem that all of a sudden this just doesn't cling to the lashes anymore? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so we're going to jump straight into fails because I like to get the negative stuff out of the way straight away. And I'm doing this in this video rather than in the NYX full face-off video because I really do not want to have this on my face ever again. This is the worst product I think I have ever had on my face. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop Longwear Brow Kit. This is just completely unusable. I don't really care what it is supposed to do, but let's just have a look at the actual applicator. This has a couple of spoolies. One is more bristly and one is completely plastic, like a little plastic comb. Both of them really don't do much. This is the shade Ash Brown, which I am in every single NYX product for the brows, and yet this one is quite a warm colour. Look at the applicator for that. It's really thick and chunky. It's not precise at all, so unusable in my opinion. I have used Wonder Brow products before, which are absolutely excellent, and had to use a different brush for application. So that's not a massive issue, but this is, it feels like quite a thin product. It feels like that kids paint, you know, the washable kids paint that's really thick and gloopy. It comes out really runny and then it dries really, really quickly. I just do not like this on my brows. It makes my brows look really boxy. It's unnatural, it's thick, it's just not nice to apply. It's just not nice in general, and if I was you, I would save your money and not even bother trying this. By all means, go out and try and prove me wrong. Let me know in the comment section how you get on, but for me, that is a complete bust. Don't waste your money on it. Absolutely awful, hideous, disgusting, horrid, horrid product. Okay, so moving on to a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Now, I had to put this in this video because, I mean, it's Charlotte Tilbury and it costs quite a bit of money and a lot of people have been asking about it. But I am a little bit on the fence about this one. So it's not a fail, but it's not a favourite either. I do like to use a colour corrector just to take away a little bit of that pigmentation before I apply a concealer on top. And I'm not saying that this is not a nice colour corrector. It's very nice. The texture is beautiful. It's quite silicone-y, so it can also be a little bit of a primer for underneath the eye as well. I am talking myself into this product a little bit more. Why am I not using this on a daily basis? I don't know. So I have actually mastered this now. I know exactly how much to put underneath the eye so that it doesn't crease, but I just don't find myself reaching for this on a daily basis. I've no idea why. Next month, this may be in my faves pile once I've used it a little bit more. But for now, the only reason I am on the fence with this is I just don't feel like I'm wanting to use it, which is a little bit concerning considering that it cost me 24 quid. Okay, so let's move into the faves category. A couple of weeks ago, I was sent a PR package from Me Cosmetics. So this has been gifted to me. Now, they sent me a couple of eyeshadow palettes, which I'm yet to try out yet, so they cannot feature in this video because I have no idea whether I'm going to like them or not. However, they did send me a couple of their liquid lipsticks, which are really, really nice. Very long lasting, very thin consistency, not drying at all. So I highly recommend those. But the main product that I want to mention is these Click and Colour Lip Crayon lipsticks. Now these are £17 in the UK and you can buy them off, I think they have a Facebook site. These are a cruelty-free brand and these are just a really lovely lip crayon. They come in lots of different shades and you can move them up with the spinny bit on the bottom. So you do get quite a bit of product and these last quite a long time. Now, I haven't used these masses, but the reason they are appearing in this video is because my mum really likes them. The shade that she likes, she's taken, obviously, as she does. She's taken them and she uses it as a lip colour as well as using it as a blush on the cheeks. So she would apply these to the apples of the cheeks and just blend it out just as a little touch up through the day. These do come in some absolutely beautiful, beautiful colours and they are really, really long lasting as well. My mum carries these around in her handbags and she really, really likes them. So although this is not something that I reach for on a daily basis, my mum really, really likes them, so they had to appear in this video. Okay, moving on to a little bit of nail care. Now, I get asked about my nails all the time because I get a lot of people saying that my nails look absolutely beautiful on camera. Unfortunately, I have a couple of them that are very, very ridged and have been getting more ridged since I was around about 30. I have tried absolutely everything and I've got to the point now where one of them, this nail here, my ring finger on my left hand, is so ridged in the center that it breaks constantly at the tip, but it doesn't break across, it breaks vertically, which can be a little bit painful. The product that I've found that's worked on my ridges to strengthen my nails a little bit more is one that my mum bought me for my 40th birthday and I've used it constantly as per the directions. This is the OPI Nail Envy. It's the original nail strengthener and it's a really, really good product. So you would put 2 coats of this on first and then a couple of days later you would put another coat on. A couple of days later you would put another coat on. After a week you would take the lot off and start the process again. Really, really great product. I've found that my nails are so much stronger since I've been using this product. This is £12 to £17 in the UK, depending on where you get it from, and it's $17.95 in the US. At the moment, I think this is the best thing ever because my nails aren't splitting as much as they used to, but again, watch this space. I will let you know how I'm getting on with that in the October Faves and Fails vid. Okay. Now, I have to mention this product because I haven't done a full-blown review on it and my mum has tried this, but I won't let her take it home because I just cannot be without it for a week. It is so, so good. This is my brand new Holy Grail under eye concealer and it's from Benefit. It's their Cakeless Concealer. I wear this every single day. I've got it on now. It's a matte sheen finish. Absolutely beautiful, dries down really quickly but gives you enough time to blend so it's really easy blendable before it dries down and it just doesn't budge. I don't find this is too drying on my under eyes, although I have read some reviews that people have said that their under eyes have dried out since wearing this. I haven't had that experience and I tried this on my mum last Wednesday. It looked beautiful underneath her eyes, so it definitely is suitable for a more mature skin. Long term, I'm not quite sure because obviously she's only used it the once, but she did say, I texted her at the end of the day to ask her how her makeup had held up, and she said she'd still got it on. It was quite late at night and she really didn't want to wash it off because it looked really nice. So that is a huge benefit of this concealer. Really, really nice. I wear this every single day and it reminds me a little bit of the MAC Pro Longwear, which used to be my holy grail. But the MAC Pro Longwear is a lot thicker consistency than this. This one is so much thinner than that, really, really easily blendable. And it's just so, so nice. This is £18.50 in the UK, $22 in the US. Can't rave about it enough. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Moving on to the next product, which is a drugstore product and also cruelty-free. Now, this isn't going to feature in my full face of brand new NYX, so I wanted to feature it in this video because it's a beautiful, beautiful product. This is part of their Hemp range. It's the Bear With Me Lip Conditioner. This is £6 in the UK, $7 in the US, and it's infused with hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil to hydrate and soothe the lips. It's beautiful, and I often feel myself reaching for this when my lips are slightly dry or even when my lips aren't dry, because this just feels so lovely on the lip. Really is a beautiful product. Again, a little goes a really long way, and it just adds that sheen without sparkle. So it's just a really nice moisturizing product. You can put this on at night, you can put this on in the daytime on its own or over lipstick like I've just done. Really beautiful, beautiful product. Highly recommend it. I wear this all the time and my lips are in so much better condition because of it. Really, really beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to the final items that are going to be in this video. They are covered in fingerprints at the moment. Let me just wipe them clean. I have used them excessively since I bought them, and these are rather pricey, shall we say. I was a little bit of a naughty girl in September, but it was my birthday month, so I thought, hey, why not? My credit card is now crying, and I will be crying next week when I have to pay the balance. In September, I bought the brand new Hourglass palette. Now, this one is the Ambient Lighting Edit in Ghost. These are both the Ghost palettes, but this one is the Ambient Lighting Blush Quad. These are so, so nice. Let me just show you the Ambient Lighting Edit. This one not only has a bronzer in here, which is probably the nicest bronzer that I own, and I put it everywhere. It also has two of the Ambient Lighting blushes in here, and it also has this one, which is the finishing powder in dim light. Then we've got the finishing powder in diffuse light, and we've got the strobe powder, which is great, absolutely fantastic as a highlight. This is iridescent strobe light. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one is the bronzer in Eternal Bronze Light. Then we've got the strobe blush, which is not too sparkly, so don't worry, in Iridescent Rose. And then we've got just a usual ambient lighting blush in Sublime Flush, which is so, so pretty. I mixed both the blushes on my mum when I did her makeup on Wednesday, and just, oh, glowy, but beautiful, not sparkly. She didn't look like she got highlight on because she really doesn't like that. She just looked naturally glowy and beautiful and very, very youthful. She really liked it, and I just thought it was just glorious on her skin. But you know, I had to be a little bit of a rebel and also order the Ambient Lighting Blush Quad, also in Ghost. The Ambient Lighting blushes are my favourite blushes of all time. I love the Hourglass Ambient Lighting blushes. They are just so beautiful, so flattering on the skin. So in here we have Blush Surreal Effect here. We've got the Strobe Blush in Brilliant Nude. We've got the Strobe Blush in Lucid Glow. And we've also got the blush in Infinite Flush. Even the strobe blushes, they are not overly sparkly or highlighty. They look really, really beautiful and very flattering on any skin. Stunning, absolutely stunning, and I had to put them in this video. So I know I've gone on about these and I get really excited because they are so, so beautiful. However, they are also so, so expensive, and I know these are going to be out of a lot of people's budgets. They were out of my budget, believe me, and I do not condone getting into debt for makeup. This is just stuff at the end of the day. Beautiful stuff, but stuff all the same. So the Ambient Lighting edit is £75 in the UK or $80 in the US. Ouch! And the Ambient Lighting Blush Quad is £45 in the UK or $58 in the US. So seriously pricey stuff. If you have somebody that's very, very generous around about the holiday season, they buy you really lovely Christmas presents, then put these on your list because they are absolutely stunning, stunning products. I really should feel guilty about buying these, but I so don't. I really don't. Not one bit. Absolutely not. I mean, what do you mean you want to eat? Go and get some toast. Mummy needs the Hourglass Ambient Lighting edit. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, there is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM London time. I am also on Instagram if you want to follow me on there. It's @PamperedWolf, all lowercase, no spaces. Hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.